here we are, the boulders. I'm going to give the electric a run. I'm a little bit later getting on the water than I hoped, and I realised I've left my paddle at home. So I probably won't be going too far in case something happens. I'll be paddling back with my hands. The water has come up quite a lot since I was here a few weeks ago. In fact, I reckon I'll just about get my little tinny in now. Slide her in over there. Anyway, I'm going to run a couple of rods, do a bit of trolling, probably not much casting. The water's silted up, as you'd expect after all that rain, but it's not bad. It's absolute blinder of a day. Probably going to spend about 3 hours on the water, maybe a bit longer. And yeah, wish me luck. Oof. We're off. 34 pound water snake. Now this is the lowest speed. And got my little Elite 3X sounder on. I got talking to that old bloke back there. It cost me a bit of time. Anyway, nice old fella. He's complaining about the boulders too. 5.2 metres of water. These lures will dive down to 4.5 or thereabouts. Both of these rods are Abu Garcia Max Elites, 3 to 6 kilo bait casters, and they've got Abu Revo 4X reels on. Dragging on the bottom here in 4.9 metres. 15 pound Shimano braid. And 15 pound, I think I've got weed on again. 15 pound platypus low stretch leader. I haven't had them long. I've caught one tiny rainbow trout on one of them. And some weed. Cod wall. Wind him up a little bit, that one. Oh shit! Oh yeah, he's a good fish. Gotcha. Jeez, he hit that hard. This is not a bad fish, whatever this is. Oh, 2 rods. Get this thing out of the bloody rod hole. Yeah, what are you, bro? Might be a gadoo. I've only got, come on, bro. I've only got 15 pound line on here. Hey. Come on. Oh, he's a fucking big yellow. What's he doing out and about? Jesus. Oh. Whew. That's a good yellow. We'll pull up and get organised and we'll have a look. Jesus Christ. He pulled the rod hold over and everything. I've got me picture for the socials. He can go back in. He's absolutely friggin' trashed that leader. A 15 pound leader because he's hooked under the chin and it's been scraped on all these fins and scales and shit. So not bad. I've only been fishing for 5 minutes. New electric setup. Oof. We'll carry on then. Off we go. Jesus Christ. Yeah, good yellow, that one. Best yellow I've caught in a while. Winter time on the little AC Invader, which is what I caught. Caught a tiny little trout on that thing at Carisbrook the other week. He's given that leader a bit of bloody, oh shit, a bit of a rough up. This is what we call the cod wall, because I've caught cod along here before. So That's what I thought that might have been actually. Prefer to hold my rod when I'm trolling. It's a bit hard with two rods. So I was holding the other one and it was the opposite one that took off. So it was definitely silted up a bit from last time, but that's alright. I didn't worry him. Very brightly coloured noisy lure. Not what I expected today, yellow. I was expecting or hoping for a trout or even a winter cod. So this is second from top speed. And this is top speed. Cover the ground fairly quick actually. Pretty happy with it. Alright, off again. And the back end. Pretty nice down here. It's also pretty cool in the shade. I'm running a bomber fat-free shad on the right hand side. One of my AliExpress count bass 65mm. I think it's 65mm. I dived about 5 metres on the left. Oh, fat-free shad will run a bit shallower. 4 metres here. Here we go. Hey. Oh, this is not bad either. Might not be a bad fish either, just quietly. Yeah, he's having a good pull. I've got to watch this because this is the one with the mangled leader from earlier. From that yellow belly. Not doing much, might be all to do. Come on, bro, let's have a look. Let's see what you are. Oh yeah, it's a good do. Not a bad good do either. Come on. You're not ready to come in yet. Hey. You come, bro. You're not quite ready, this gadoo. On the fat-free shad. Fuck, he's not bad. Come on. Gotcha. Oh, he's a good gadoo. Ooh, he's a fat Larson gadoo. Oh, look at that. Whoo! He's a ripper. Get him sorted out. Gadoo. Let me get a hold of you. Oh, right. Very heavy cod. I don't know. High 50, I'll be 60. That's a solid one. It's heavy. And then, oh, get you back in the hole. Oh, whoo, Christ. Now I stink. Right, I'm going to do one last run past this wall. Well, 2 runs. Got the bomber fat-free shad on. Chuck him out that side. And I've got this is a veteran lure, this one. A black, I think it's an aftershock it's called, stump jumper with a black bib. Veteran of many trips into the Loddon River log jam. I'll chuck him out that side. He's running sort of about 3 metres, I guess. And yeah, hopefully we'll pick something else up. It's I'm planning to be off the water about 5. That'll give me enough time to go along here and back. Oh, get out of those bloody weeds. Oh, fuck. Well, that's it. No more action. I might pull in and blast back to the ramp. Back at the boulders. Yeah, pretty good day out. One good yellow. A fat cod around 600. So, yeah, pretty happy with that. I'll be back. Woof.